Welcome to my channel. Is your Wi-Fi repeater not powering on or showing no lights? Don't panic. This issue is usually caused by power or overheating problems and can be fixed easily. 1. Check the power source. Make sure the wall socket is working. Try plugging another device into the same outlet. 2. Plug the repeater properly. Ensure the Wi-Fi repeater is firmly plugged into the power socket, not loose. 3. Look for LED lights. If no lights turn on, it usually means there's a power issue. 4. Try a different power outlet. Move the repeater to another wall socket to rule out socket problems. 5. Avoid extension boards. Plug the repeater directly into the wall. Extension boards can cause power failure. 6. Check for physical damage. Inspect the repeater for burn marks, cracks, or overheating signs. 7. Let it cool down. If the repeater feels hot, unplug it and wait 10 to 15 minutes before retrying. 8. Reset the repeater. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. 9. Use the original power adapter. If your repeater uses an adapter, make sure it's the original one. 10. Contact support or replace. If it still doesn't power on, the device may be faulty. Contact support or consider replacing it. Thanks for watching.